Okay, hello, Southern Tennessee Mom here. I hope you have had a good New Year and a good Christmas. Today we are going to make campfire chicken, and I've got some tinfoil laid out here. I've really got 3 pieces here. Got 1 in the center and 2 on the sides. I just kind of sandwiched them together, laid them right on top of each other. I'm going to take this cooking spray I have here. That's my oven going off. I got it set for 350. And I'm just going to spray the tinfoil. Okay, I've got my chicken breast here that's uncooked. Let's see that. Sorry about that. Light's coming in that window. I'm going to just wash it off. I'm going to wash the chicken breast off. I'm only going to use 1 out of those 3. I've got other plans for the other 2. But I put my chicken breast here. Just lay it right on top of the tinfoil. I got some vegetables where I made vegetable beef soup the other day that I didn't use, so I'm going to use it for my campfire chicken. And I just kind of put them in a bowl, mix them together. I've got some leftover corn, green beans, carrots, and some peas. Now then, this next step is optional, of it's whatever you want to put on it. But I'm going to put some salt. Just going to sprinkle a little salt over top of all of it. And I'm going to put some pepper on it. I like pepper, so you don't have to put as much as I'm putting on there. And I have a little bit of onion powder here. I'm going to sprinkle over it. I think it just gives it a really good texture and taste. And I'm going to put some garlic powder over it. I love garlic. And then I have some of this, it's called French fry seasoning. The only place I've been able to find it is Dollar Tree. And I love it. It's really good on chicken. You can put this on chicken and put it on your grill. It's awesome. But like I said, you can use Italian seasoning, whatever you prefer. But I'm going to use that. Okay, I have added some, I took a small potato and a large potato, because I love my taters now. And I cut one up, and I just cut mine in lengths. Now, you could do cubes if you want to, or whatever you like. And I added a little bit of salt and pepper and some more of the French fry seasoning, and then garlic to it, because I really do like that. And I forgot to put my potatoes on there. So, I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil. I just got this at Walmart. And I'm just going to add just a little so it doesn't stick. I know we've added the cooking spray to the tinfoil, but that just gives it a little bit extra cushion for all the vegetables and everything associated together. Now, I usually add like chicken stock. You can take that chicken bouillon and boil it in water, and it makes really good that you could pour over it. Or I've even used beef bouillon and made a beef stock and used it, but I'm out of both. So I'm just got plain water here, and I'm just gonna, I don't want to put too much, but you don't want to dry either. So just enough. I put maybe that much in the cup, If you can see that. Just enough to keep it saturated. That should be good. I didn't even use all of it. So now we're going to take, and this is the tricky part. I'm going to take and I'm going to pull up the sides. Just like that. Now you have to watch the water so it doesn't start to crumble and go out the sides. But I'm going to take, and I'm going to pinch it here in the middle, and I want to fold it over in the middle, just like that. And I'm going to take my sides, and I'm going to kind of fold them and pull them up. Now you're going to have a little bit leak out of your water and stuff like that, so don't worry about that. But I've got another pan here that I've already put some of the cooking spray in it, just so the tin foil wouldn't stick to the pan. And I'll put it inside that pan. You just want to make sure that your tin foil is closed and you have a good seal on it. And then I'm going to put that in the oven at 350, and I'm going to cook it for about, probably about an hour and a half. I'll take it out and check it and make sure potatoes and chicken's done. I'll put that in the oven, let that cook, and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, it's now been in the oven for about an hour and a half, and you can see I've already tested the potatoes are done and the meat is done. Okay, as you can see, the chicken is quite done and potatoes are done. This is a spoon and it's poking it. So everything's done. What I love about this dish is that you can make this dish your own. So a lot of times if I'm making this, I will, I just lift it out of the pan and see how easy that was to lift out with just the spray in it. That way the tin foil doesn't stick to the pan. But these are you can make these dishes very personalized. Say someone doesn't like peas, you don't have to add peas to it. If they want chicken legs, you can add chicken legs. If they want broccoli, you can add broccoli. You can make these individual dishes per person, and it's just a great dish, and I love it. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you try it. If you do, comment and let me know how you like it.